Look.
Oh, that what I made, huh? 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 Yeah. Hey. Oh, that what I made, huh? Cause I show my ass, huh? And I'm in my bag, huh? Oh, that what I made for. That what I made for. Cause I'm getting cash, huh? That pussy shit nigga don't add up. Oh, that what they made, huh? That what they made, huh? Cause I'm getting cash, huh? And I'm in my bag, huh? Oh, that what they made for. That what they made for. Cause I'm getting cash, huh? And I'm in my bag, huh? Oh, that what they made.
Oh shit, now we gotta get over. Gotta get someone who's rolling for this video. Got a line up behind me again. Trying to get y'all some of this rolling footage, but we're all kind of broke up. Wait for me to catch the fuck up. Here they come. These fools don't even know where they're going. They just driving. Come on, Ace, get in there. Hit it. Can't really play. Got too much traffic, too many people, and plus I got the kids in the car, so can't get too crazy. We all the way lined out. Got a couple guys over there, ain't even watching this shit. Ripped off my front light bar, y'all, just now. Damn. So sad. Boy Alonzo about to wash his dirty ass car. Roll from the car wash. We're gonna go up here and get some food as a group. Go to Chili's. Girls, you ready to eat? No, we're not going to McDonald's, girls. We're going to eat, though. Yeah, I dragged all the way from the fucking muffin shop here. So it's fucking broke. I gotta buy a whole nother fucking light, though. We rolling respectable through these streets. No action today on that. We are not going to McDonald's, baby girl.
Stop it.
Pulling up on me.
Who are you?
Hey, we actually forgot what your car looked like because you ain't been around us so long. Yeah. Like, damn.
Kicked out of the group.
Yeah, hey, we just took, we all just had lunch together, and they were like voting to kick you out and shit, man. I don't know. I mean, they were like, get rid of Eric's ass.
I gotta make money to pay for this car
Yeah.
payment.
Wait, what you guys got?
I've had it for like 3 years.
You should have.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've never
I
known
guess
that
I'll
you've had a
pump
tongue
rings
piercing.
There you go. We're just waiting on Brenda now. Hey, Dustin, hit Brenda and see where she's at. Then we'll get out of here. Lonzo just called. He said they're probably heading over to that meet too.
Where'd Josh go?
He
I
went
hear him. He's over there somewhere.
way down somewhere. Oh, he went way over there.
I heard the motor. I was like, oh, no, he's this way.
Pulled up to this meet.
Look, it's all
Is that Grim 392? No, that's not Grim. There you go, Eric. Need a new member, brother.
Hey, you know Ducky's the recruiting bitch.
Where's he at?
I don't know where the fuck Ducky's at.
Back in over there. Oh, he's over there. We're pulling up heavy out here, y'all. Like we always do. This car meet. Pulling in. Okay, got a badass orange Scat Pack pulling in, and I got a black one up there. Hey, there's another car like yours up there, black. Go get it for me. Back in. This built Chevy pulling up. Hey, this truck is built. Listen to it.
Yeah.
He's got that bad boy built. Mustang group sitting here already. We just pulled up. Chevy is built. It's nasty. It's nasty. You got some shit down there. That's why I said you got that good. I don't see a sticker on this car at all. He ain't part of no group. He don't have a sticker on his car. I don't know. Hell yeah. Did you hit something? Or are you just checking your tires because you burnt them again?
Yeah, just check the time.
Hey, Mopar King right there. Needs to be one.
Yeah, maybe.
He don't have no stickers on his car.
Ducky, we got 2 people for you to recruit.
Lonzo and Scat, get out yet? Oh, they in the car together. My boy Lonzo. Stay cool, Lonzo. Go check him out on his YouTube, y'all. Damn. Scat Pack Black pulled up. I think he got new wheels. Get this thing on there. I don't even know if he's got his YouTube. He just started YouTube as well. Not sure he's got it on there. Pretty sure those are new wheels, bro. Oh yeah, you do. There we go, right there. Check him out on his YouTube. Give him a subscribe, follow, like them videos. Yeah, going up heavy. Doing what we do. Polishing her up, huh? You didn't wash her with the rest of us.
Whose idea was a meet at an elementary school?
Hey, I'm pretty sure Scat Pack back got new rims. I'm pretty sure those aren't the same rims he had on there. I could be wrong, but aren't those new wheels? I'm
Oh, they might be different.
gonna have to ask him.
He might have had the black SRT ones like I had.
See, I thought that was Grim 392 because that's what his car looked like.
Instagram and see.
So here, let's
Or
go
his
on
YouTube.
Instagram
You know
and
he's got a
see.
YouTube channel now. Surprised only 2 of them pulled up from Mopower. Mustangs doing their thing. They're trying to anyway. Too much Snapcracker pop. See 2 new members. Got a line showing up. He's part of the Mopar Club. No, I don't think so. On this one?
Yeah, you got the cows on the front. I don't know if it's true.
No, there's no way with this one.
Yeah. Nice Ferraris, though. I like it.
Yeah, it's just Yep. Got another one sneaking in back there. Popped the shit out of it, didn't he? That dude's gonna park down there. That's not bad looking gold. It's got a little bit of color change to it as it moves. Oh, it's got that reflective. Brenda. Throw her park over there. And she washed her shit quick because it was dirty earlier. That's not a spot. She thinks that's a spot right here.
Bro. I like that.
Brenda, that's not a spot.
She's like, fuck it, I'll park there anyway.
But yeah, he's gonna back in right here where y'all standing.
Yeah, that's for the McLaren.
Huh? Oh yeah. Like, come be part of our group. I know you're in a Mopar, but right. Oh yeah. Wide body? Wide body? Oh, it is. Okay. He just got his RT in the front.
I don't know why they say RT.
I like that dark blue too.
Hey, but he has the new, the red eye spoiler.
Yeah. I kind of like it, but I don't know. I'm not really wild about Josh's that much. I don't know.
I like mine.
Yeah. I don't think I like the wraparound. I think I like
Say you
this.
blow the doors off for you, John.
What, a Hellcat?
You getting ready to show him it's a V6?
Yeah, but both V6s.
It's all for show.
And we got the flip popping again. Oh. Maybe go over there and pop my.
Supercharged Hellcat.
Damn.
Go in there. There.
Make it a second one.
Bam. Bam.
You know what's crazy?
Yeah.
The only difference, 717, 707 is corner intake. That's the only fucking difference.
Hey, did you get that blue one? Did you recruit him?
Hey,
That blue wide body?
That's Scat Pack Black Sprint.
Oh, okay. So he's part of Mopower?
No, he's not part of Mopar.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I like that fucking that bumper guard he's got.
This meet's turned out pretty good, man. We got us, we got all these Mustangs and miscellaneouses that pulled up. Yeah, we done went way down there. Got this whole side. Can't see it from here, but we got the back side lining up. It's turning out pretty good. We randoed it over by the truck. That was nice. Jeep. It's my boy. Finally.
Birthday, bro.
Alexa, come here.
Already, man.
Another way to the birthday.
Yeah, DL1. Or 1LE.
1LE,
That's
yeah,
the
I
same
think
one
that-
as my buddy.
Like this white Scat Pack pulling up. All these Mopars pulling up every get members, and not one person is joining today.
They might not have the stickers yet, but a lot of them.
They still pulling in. Bro, they still pulling in. Shit.
Say food, dog. AKA the Black Bruce Banner. I am him, he is I. We won. You damn well believe we
Brother, ain't you
same,
getting tired? You getting tired?
Hell no, that shit come out naturally.
Hey, that shit.
Y'all, it's gonna be the end of this one. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And as my boy Lonzo over here is ending his video, I'm gonna get him on there. So you know, always gotta get that drip on there. You know, always.
Get you one.
Bro, you feeling all right?
Hey, what it do? Hey, Sayful Lonzo, aka the Black Bruce Banner. I am him, he is I. We won. You damn well believe we the same, man. Hey, subscribe to my channel, please, man. If you want to have laughter and joy. Oh, drip check. Hey, little drippy, you know what I'm saying? A little something, you know what I'm saying? A little something. Man, you gotta get the back too.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'll turn around for that one. I don't see the back. I don't need to see the back.
Hey,
Subscribe to my boy, man. It's his birthday today, so we're going all the way up, man. Yes, indeed.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
Man, they still around.
This is the first time I ain't never seen you in blue. The first time. I was like, this man must be feeling sick today.
Birthday today, bro.
Happy birthday, bro. I didn't know it was your birthday, cuz.
Yes, sir. He said that's the first time you never.
Yeah. Right. Alright, y'all, back to what I was saying. So I'm in this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Had a good time. It was a good meet. Still turned out. We're going to be here for a bit longer. But that'll be it. They acting a fool. I was waiting for somebody to show out. Hit that rubber. You hear him acting a fool. Stay out of the street, girl. On the sidewalk. On the sidewalk. I don't want you getting hit. There's too many cars moving around out here, okay? See how you're gonna get ran over by that lifted up truck. What? Okay. He's right there. His car or him? They're both down there. Nice looking Chevy though. I like that. That's Snap Crackle Pop. We tried to do a burnout. Forward, it burnt down. Couldn't do it. You know, it's a Ford anyway. I doubt it. He ain't about to do nothing. He's scared.
He don't never do nothing.
Let's see if he do something just sometimes. He kicked it out a little bit. Kicked it out, you know.
That was sadly disappointing.
He's scared. He just got it. He babies it still. He just got the.
Yeah, he don't never do nothing.
Yeah.
That is 70K right there. That is 70K.
Yeah. That's what a Mopar does, y'all. Hey, he's got a Mopar. That's what a Mopar do.
Go now, y'all done fucked it up.
The hell, kitty going? Mopar's pulled out and showing out. Goddamn Jesus. GTO got it. Damn it, bro. Damn. Cloud of smoke.
Yeah, I just paid my ticket. Well, my lawyer anyway.
All right.
That camera ran nice though.
Cops pulled up, it wasn't me because my car is sitting still.
I'm not doing that shit, bro.
Nope.
That.
I like that red Chevy down there. It look good.
Yeah, it does.
Makes me miss my truck.
Smoke it!
Yeah, Go. Listen to that bitch. Nasty. He might get it. See if he tries to get it.
I'm not gonna even try.
Yeah, he ain't gonna try it. He said nope.
Ella siempre me dijo que ella siempre ha querido un Cadillac.
Scat gonna do something. Well, he's sitting there. Woo! He turned up his sideways. Uh-oh, about to smoke me out. Damn it. Shit. Damn. Smoked the shit out of him. Bro, I can't believe you ain't recording. Mind you guys, we are in an elementary school parking lot. See, was Scat gonna give us something? He gonna give us a honk. Remind you, we in an elementary school parking lot. These schools are showing the fuck out. Let me see my Eric. I'm watching, bro. I'm watching, Eric. Not at my car. Get that shit straight. He's already got metal showing you. Yeah, he's already got metal showing. I'm about to call him. I bet he don't even know. Damn it. Bruh. Whew. Hope y'all enjoyed that.